I'm making beef kebabs today, grilled, and I'm starting with what I call beef tips. But I bought this at Costco, this beef at Costco, and they called it flap steak. So the thing that makes this so delicious is that this comes from the beef tenderloin, and it's pieces that are cut off when the butcher is trimming the beef tenderloin. So you're starting off with a very tender cut of beef to begin with, which means it will grill up deliciously. I started out by putting my bamboo skewers into some water. I like to let them get nice and wet for several hours so that when I put them on the grill, they don't burn up. So I did it now so I won't forget. To make the marinade, we're mixing together 1 cup of an oil-based Italian dressing. I buy prepared, and I usually buy one that says zesty on the label because I like all the flavor that's in it. 1/2 cup of Worcestershire sauce, 1 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of freshly chopped rosemary, which is one of my 5 essential summer herbs. You might want to check out that video. Finally, 4 to 6 cloves of garlic. I used 4 very large ones in this marinade today. Mix that all really well together now. Cut your beef into chunks, removing any little nasty bits that you think you don't want in your final kebab. Place your chunks of beef in a plastic bag with a zipper closure or in a glass baking dish. Pour in all of the marinade. I like to add a couple sprigs of rosemary as well. Close it up and refrigerate for several hours until you're ready to grill. To grill your kebabs, prepare your skewers with 1 piece of beef alternated with a tomato. I found that 3 pieces of beef and 2 tomatoes worked best on my skewers. Then on your grill, preheat your grill so that it's very hot. Place your kebabs on the grill, turning once, cooking about 4 minutes on each side, depending on how done you like your beef. Enjoy with your favorite sides. You might like to try this delicious recipe for grilled potatoes.